A new class of data-agnostic connectors is emerging, enabling seamless, trust-minimized cross-chain interactions without locking users into any single protocol. This technology decouples data availability from consensus, dramatically reducing bridge risk while preserving composability across ecosystems. For investors, it promises cheaper, faster settlement and a clearer path to multi-chain exposure without sacrificing security or governance alignment. Analysts predict broader adoption by major networks in 2025, driven by standardized I/O interfaces and audited interoperability layers. The result could redefine portfolio construction as true multi-chain strategies become the default rather than a niche.